look, it's just a melon. Now, what can go wrong? Maybe not, I think. Yeah, this guy's kinda like me, but just around the fact that made them out of me. By the way, if you bro are watching this, skip this video or else I'ma shoot you with my gun. I don't even have a gun, but you can know, you already know what the title is saying right now. We're gonna go on some scooters and do car stuff, boys. Oh yeah, my god! By the way, I need to be immortal if I want to get onto all of these things, boys. Spinosaurus. Ah, my groin. Okay, get me on this. Remember, you can get on this from like, you can do that. So there's a voice on this where I can. There we go. See? That was an editing or something. Okay, that's good. I'm a driving this thing. Oh, okay. My head. I am skiing down my head. Oh, but I just want to speed. Your dinner is up. We're going faster. We're going faster, and we have made it. We have made it. Uh-oh. Oof! Eee, my face! Ah, I scratched my hole! Let's go get some cars into here, boys. Oh, thank God, you get my cars. And I'm not talking about this kind of car. Car dinosaurs. We're talking about these cars. Yeah. Don't Italian car. It's real, guys. First, we're doing the regular car. Oh! It's going down the road. It's going down the road, and it has shattered like in Lego. It shattered like in Lego games, like Jurassic World or whatever crap. Start the Bruminator and the other Bruminator. The problem with this Italian beast is that it's an Italian car, but the thing about it is that it literally breaks because of how it works. You see, there's a motorized wheel controlling the wheel, and the wheel isn't to the motorized wheel, so the motorized wheel is shaking and moving it at the same time that is breaking it. And the booster makes it worse. By the way, I just want to tell you, like, lights. It stopped it. Okay, it was just banging. Oh my God! It lost one of its wheels. It's those like Indian cars now. It's the taxi car. Bang! Oh, my roof! He's a doofus. He has lost all of his. Oh, that ain't gonna fix itself. It's like it has an arm. You know, like it's an army. Get it? Army joke. It was a good one, isn't it? Oh. Power cars. Something you did not hear coming up here. You do not count. Van. Sorry. M-I. We have a minivan. The minivan has a booster. You can't. self-destruct. Let's try self-destruct and also turn on whatever that is. So that's what it does. Open an ad. Oh, it broke the entire front of it and it's broken. Okay, let me tell you what it's supposed to be like. This is what it's supposed to be like, okay? It's like a kidnapper's van. You can open. Oof, oof. And then when it closes, he's in there. By the way, he also has his friend Corn. He's very corny. Then the one driving, it's Apple with his baguette of an ammunition. Baguette? Put your hat out of here, my friend. He has a small fancy hat right now, and he's going to put us in like some kind of beast abomination. He's breaking us into something. Okay, what I want to do is make him like smash into like a barrel with a nuke or something. It exploded before it hit him. That's how sensitive things get in this house. Hey, look, he's dead. A grenade. I don't know how to do anything for contact. I'm just gonna eat the grenade. That's why you don't eat grenades. That's why you eat nuclear bombs like this, like this. By the way, if you firework a nuclear bomb, it nuclear bombs. I tried to make anything of that. By the way, the head of a tomato cannot be stabbed. That was a stupid thing to try to do. Like literally, look at this, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So, what does that happen? Oh, look, he has doo-doo in him. I'm gonna shove this thing up your butt so many times. You did, aren't you? Conk! Oh, it broke! It broke all of his legs off. Okay. Okay, whatever I do, I just making like just turn it. This was supposed to be about like cars and stuff, but instead I'm doing it like this. Abra 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 sweet. What the hell? No. Donk! Donk! I'ma rip off your punk! Okay, time for the bush. Yes, you see that, and yes, you are right. It's called the snake bus, and I would love it. It's supposed to be a traveling bus. You have to turn it on manually. By the way, I just want to do a like cool ramp or so. As you can see, kids, if you look to your right, you see nothing. If you look to your left, you also see nothing. By the way, on the right, you see the person, the stupid guy. His nick. Oh, my wheels! No, I can always just do this. Oh no, okay, what's going on here? octigillion. Okay, we're going faster now, kids. If you look to your other right, you see the other right person. His name is Arif Kokar. He's the person who made me with my fat mom and and just like that. Oh shoot! Oh God! This looks like an actual scene you will see in like a movie or so. Just put like a stone here. Oh! And the bombs went out. If you're this guy right now, I'm sorry. You got the stone. Here, your friends always get the stones. Get 'em, boink! Even more. I just want to just torture everything I see. Boink! Oh! It's like a Scooby-Doo, whatever, cartoon, whatever, crap. Whatever. What am I holding? Oh my! It's an avalanche! Oh! Look at all the pieces! That was actually so cool. I also want to do something like that. Okay, I'm just gonna get this stone and just copy it, put it like here, make it like that. Get this Spawnator 9er. It's an actual thing, and just okay. I did not know if it would go like this. Look at all the pieces. Oh my God, they're going everywhere. Look at this. Look at this little contraption I made for this October 9th, like whatever kind of contraption. Just imagine this being here and all these rocks were like only hitting you. It's like getting hit by a meteor strike like 98 times. My device was breaking for milliseconds there. Look at how high these pieces are going. Like I'm good. Wait, he's actually top. He's kicking me.